John with Easy Glass here. Happy Sunday morning. Just out here, Easy Glass van, putting in some work. Just wanted to show you guys something that's quite interesting for a Sunday job. So keep in mind, we haven't started doing anything on this windshield yet. And as you go across, you can see that we got some issues here. That's due to a poor installation, poor products used, all kinds of different reasons it could be. But one thing I know, it's not right when your windshield does this going down the highway. If you need glass, repairs, anything, give us a ring, 970-200-5646. Have a good Sunday.